Are you ready to take the next big step in your career? The upcoming Career Summit at Fort Leonard Wood is your golden opportunity to connect with potential employers and gain invaluable insights into transitioning from military to civilian life. Scheduled for August 21st from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at Nutter Fieldhouse, this event promises to be a game-changer for job seekers. Walter Harris, the Transition Services Manager at Fort Leonard Wood, emphasizes the importance of this summit, stating that it will equip transitioning service members and job seekers with essential tools to advance their careers. This Career Summit is an incredible event for our community. If you're on the hunt for a job, I highly encourage you to attend. There will be numerous opportunities for individuals to secure employment, Harris remarked. He believes this summit is a vital stepping stone for those moving from military service into the civilian workforce. The summit is structured into two main segments. The morning will feature a series of workshops designed to help job seekers present themselves effectively, running from 9 a.m. until noon. Following this, from 1:30 to 4:30 p.m., a hiring fair will take place, allowing attendees to meet face-to-face with potential employers. The workshops are crucial because they provide insights into what employers expect from resumes, how to enhance your online presence, and effective networking strategies, Harris explained. These sessions are tailored to give participants a clearer understanding of the job market and how to navigate it successfully. Registration for the event opens at 8:30 a.m., and the morning workshops include Location Matters at 9:10 a.m., Speed Dating with Future Employers at 9:35 a.m., 10:25 a.m., and 11:15 a.m. What Am I Worth? On 9:55 a.m., the interview, It's Just a Conversation. At 10:45 a.m., Ignite Your Network and Job Search. At 11:35 a.m., Hot Tools, Hot Jobs, and Resume Engine. At 12:15 p.m. Throughout the day, attendees will have ample opportunities to expand their professional networks. The Career Summit is designed to help transitioning service members and community members not only find jobs, but also build relationships and network effectively, Harris noted. He pointed out that the connections made during this event could yield significant benefits in the future. Harris strongly encourages everyone to participate, even those who may not be actively seeking employment. It's wise to come out, make contacts, and establish relationships with the employers present. Even if you're not currently job hunting, creating a rapport can set you up for success down the line, he advised. This proactive approach allows job seekers to put a face to their name, which can be advantageous when opportunities arise later. The events of the day are open to all service members, veterans, retirees, Defense Department civilian employees, and their families. If you plan to attend the hiring summit, be sure to come prepared to make a lasting impression. Harris suggests that first impression is crucial. Bring a polished resume, have your elevator pitch ready, and dress to impress. For further details, feel free to reach out at 573-596-0175. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your career prospects.